Hello, dear explorers! Welcome again to Train Your Brain. This is a place where we explore, discover, and learn together in a fun, engaging, and easy to understand way. Endless curiosity. Each topic hides something special, so stay with us and uncover the world of knowledge. In this first season, I have prepared over 200 incredibly interesting videos covering various topics about our bodies, history, natural disasters, space exploration, animals, and much, much more. These videos are made to inspire both young and old explorers alike. And now it's time to start. Today I have something really special for you. Are you ready? Let's dive into the first topic. Why are plants mostly green? Plants are mostly green because of something called chlorophyll. Let's learn why. 1. Color of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a special green pigment found in plant leaves. It's like the plant's superhero, helping it make food and grow strong. 2. Sunlight power. Plants use chlorophyll to soak up sunlight. This sunlight helps plants turn water and carbon dioxide into food through a process called photosynthesis. 3. Green reflection. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight really well, except for green light. Instead of absorbing green light, chlorophyll reflects it back, making the plant look green to our eyes. 4. Healthy and happy. Being green helps plants stay healthy and happy. It's like wearing a special suit that helps them grow big and strong. So, plants are mostly green because of chlorophyll, which helps them make food and grow. It's like their secret ingredient for staying healthy and strong. I hope you enjoyed this part. Let me know in the comments if it was already familiar to you. Now let's explore something new. In the next video, you will find even more fascinating facts, so stay with us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Dirt detectives. Exploring the secrets of soil. Did you know that dirt is like a hidden treasure? Let's find out why dirt is so important for plants and our planet. Plant food. Dirt is like a yummy meal for plants. It gives them food, water, and cozy place for their roots to grow strong and happy. Home for bugs. Lots of little bugs live in dirt. They help make old stuff turn into new dirt and keep plants healthy. Water helper. Dirt is like a big sponge. It drinks up rainwater and keeps it safe so plants can drink it when they are thirsty. Earth skin. Dirt covers the ground like a soft blanket. It keeps the earth safe, helps plants grow, and keeps our planet happy. Dirt may seem plain, but it's super important for keeping our world green and beautiful. Let's grab our shovels and go on a dirt adventure to discover its secrets. Isn't it amazing how much we can learn about the world around us? But we are not done yet. Up next is another exciting topic. You may already know about it, or it might be completely new to you. Let's find out. Watch them grow. Seed sprouting experiment. Are you curious about how plants grow? Let's do a fun experiment to see seeds come to life right before your eyes. All you need are some seeds, paper towels, a plastic baggie, and a little bit of water. Here's how to do it. First, gather your materials and find a clean, flat surface to work on. Second, take a few seeds, like beans or sunflower seeds, and place them evenly spaced on a damp paper towel. Third, lay another damp paper towel on top of the seeds, making sure they are completely covered. Fourth, carefully place the paper towels with the seeds inside a plastic baggie. Seal the baggie shut, but leave a little bit of air inside. Fifth, now find a cozy spot for your seed-filled baggie to rest. It should be somewhere warm and sunny, like near a window. Sixth, over the next few days, check on your seeds regularly. Keep the paper towels damp by adding a little water if they start to dry out. Seventh, watch in amazement as the seeds begin to sprout tiny roots and shoots. You will see them grow taller and taller each day. It's like having a front row seat to nature's magical show. With a little bit of patience and care, you will witness the incredible journey from seed to plant right in your own home. So, grab your seeds and let's get sprouting. And that's all for today. I hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Train Your Brain is a channel where you will find new, exciting and educational content. Let's make learning fun. Stay curious, keep exploring and see you in the next video. Your ideas are always welcome, so leave a comment and let me know what topics you would like to see next. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!